Hi, I'm Jeff with Culligan.
And I'm Robert. Today we're going to share a few things you should know about water softener maintenance so you can keep enjoying cleaner, soft water throughout the year. An important part about owning a water softener is knowing how to put the system on bypass. Do you want to talk about what that means, Jeff?
Sure, Robert. The water softener bypass valve stops your home's water from running through your softener. If there is ever any sort of malfunction or water leakage related to your softener, you'll want to put it on bypass to stop it from running. Then call your local Culligan professional. It's always a good idea to know where your whole house water shutoff is in case you ever need to do that. These are usually located along the front wall of your home on city water and on the back wall of your home on a private well. They can be in your basement, crawl space, or even outside.
You can also use bypass when you just don't need your water to be softened. This can include watering the lawn, filling up the kids' pool, or going on vacation and you don't want your system to regenerate while you're gone. Putting your system on bypass is simple. On a Culligan Aqua Central water softener, there's a blue knob on the back that you simply turn clockwise. To start receiving softened water again, turn the knob counterclockwise. Be careful not to over-tighten the knob in either case. If you have a Culligan Smart Itchy water softener, you can easily turn the bypass on and off from the Culligan Connect app. Some people ask if it's okay to leave their softener on bypass. That's fine, but if your softener is on bypass for an extended period, you may want to have your system checked and sanitized by your local Culligan professional before turning it back on. And that's it. Now you know the reasons you may want to put your water softener on bypass and how to do it. Remember, if you have any questions about bypass or anything else related to your water softener, Culligan is only a phone call away.